I've been in the welding field for 35 years. I guess what got me interested, my uncle was a welder. He traveled all over the country as a welder. And I went to, right out of high school, I went to work with him as a welder's helper. And I liked the challenge to be able to do a better, make something pretty out of a weld. You can be an average welder or you can be a great welder. So there's a lot of things you can do with it. We offer entry-level MIG, TIG, stick, and cutting processes. By entry-level, I mean you should be able to get out of here, get your foot in the door, and go take a welding test for another company. Right now, if the students will apply themselves, when they're done here, there are people crying for welders. I could employ every welder that came out of here. We have state-of-the-art welding machines. You're not going to find a better equipment to work with than here. We have it's a small class to instructor ratio, so you get a lot of one-on-one attention.
Kind of hard to beat that, Steve. Good job.
I think you should try welding if you're not the average student that wants to go to college. If you want to get out and make a good living, welding jobs now basic welding jobs are starting out at $17 an hour. Anywhere from $17 to $25 an hour. And if you can do that in one semester, you can make a pretty good living. I don't know. I guess for years that's kind of what I've done as a pipeline welder and as a welding foreman and different things in the field. I've always had a welder's helper, and it was always a challenge to try to turn your welder's helper into a good welder. And so every year you would have a welder that you could teach to weld and put them out there as welders. So it's kind of the same thing here. They come in and you watch them progress and then put them to work, and it's kind of a good feeling.